What's up guys, I'm Aidan Jordaan and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Clarity 101 Airlinks from Monster, which are their new in-ear wireless headphones. I'll also be showing you a few of the other wireless models as well. So, let's get into it. So first of all, thank you to Evetech for sending me over some of these Monster audio products to review. Now, before we get started, I am going to keep my reviews as open and honest as possible. So I will tell you what I like, what I don't like, maybe a few things that Monster could improve on. But starting off with this product, the Clarity Airlink 101, there's really not much to critique about. I mean, I was really surprised by these earbuds. For $7.99, you're getting a splash-proof wireless set of earbuds that are also super comfy, but I'll get into that a little bit later. Anyway, let's move on to the box. The box is a good quality, it's simple looking, but I really like and enjoy this design of box. It's got this super cool kind of, I could just do that all day. Anyway, so you open it up and voila, there are your headsets. Take the plastic off. It's a little bit tough to get off, but once you get it off, then you have your two headsets and the case. But now here's where things get interesting. And here's what absolutely blew my mind. This is not just a case. This is a portable charger for your earbuds. So you smack your earbuds in there, and it's got a bit of a magnetic feel, and voila, your earbuds are charging. I mean, how cool is that? I was sold. From the minute I found that out, I was absolutely sold. Also, another really fun feature, yeah, I could just do this all day. I think when I got this product, I just
5 minutes later.
I mean, it is so satisfying. This is the coolest case I've ever seen. Okay, one more. Okay, no, I really, guys, the look and feel of this product is absolutely incredible. So well up to Monster for producing a affordable, I mean, for $7.99, you're getting a charging case, you're getting obviously wireless splash-proof earbuds, and this charging case, so without the charging case, these things last about 6 hours, and with the charging case, it's around 30 plus hours. I got these maybe about 2 weeks ago, and I've used them a bit, and while I've been filming, I've been using them, and I mean, I haven't charged them. I haven't even charged them at all since, which is really cool. It also comes with a USB-C on the end there. Try and get that to focus. There we go. So as you can see, that is a USB-C, which is really cool, keeping up with those modern times, I guess. Now, these things are so simple to use, which really also blew my mind. All you do is you take them out of their case, and you'll hear them say pairing, and you check your phone, go into your Bluetooth settings, and you click pair, and that is it, done. And then once they paired, when you put them back in, they'll switch off and they'll start charging, and when you take them out again, they'll just automatically connect to your phone, and super fast and super reliable. I was really impressed by that as well. The range of these things again surprised me like you cannot believe. I stood on one side of my house and I walked all the way to the other side, and no problem. Through walls, direct sight, there is absolutely no problem. I don't know exactly what the range is of these Clarity 101s, but you could literally leave your phone on the one end of your house and walk to the other end and it should be fine, which blew my mind. So I don't have to keep having my phone in my pocket everywhere I go. I can leave it on charge if I wanted to, which was super cool. The other thing I liked about these is that they have a very sleek design. I mean, if you look now, if I put these in my ear, you can hardly even see them. They fit in nicely. I mean, look, you can hardly even tell I'm wearing earphones, which is insane. So if you're on the plane, if you go jogging, no one will even realize, which is super cool. They also have an inbuilt mic, which allows you to take phone calls while you're jogging, let's say, or while you're on the move, which is cool. The mic is not too bad. I mean, considering the size of these things, I think the mic does pretty well. They also have little sports tips where you can actually turn and get that clip in your ear, so there's really no movement of the thing. It won't move anywhere. They also come with different size buds, so if you have smaller ears, you can fit the smaller ones, or if you have bigger ears, you can fit the bigger ones. So there's 3 sizes, the one that comes on, and then 2 extras. So I actually have put the smaller ones on because I just find it fits me better and it's a little more comfortable. They do come in 2 colors. So right now, these are the ones I've been showing you, which are the yellow and green style. And then you also get the silver and black, which I really like. I dig the design, and again, it's that same case. You take them out and it's that same type of headset. The nice thing is they also do have touch controls, so you can pause songs, skip songs, turn up the volume, turn down the volume, etc. And then I just want to touch on the 2 other makes. They are the Clarity 102 and the Clarity 100 Airlinks. Now, these are less of your sports ones and more of your day-to-day ones. So to start off, I'm going to quickly go over the Clarity 102 Airlinks. Now, these are basically equivalent to your Apple AirPods, look, design, and feel, except these are $8.99. I mean, what are your Apple AirPods at? Maybe $3.5 grand. So $8.99, guys. And let me show you what they're going to look like. Come in this super cool, sleek case. Opens up like that. Now, if I put them in, obviously got a right and left side. Again, look at the sleek profile. I mean, it hardly looks like I'm even wearing anything. Obviously, these do have that little extension coming out from the side, which I really dig. Really nice, really comfy. I would probably say these are the most comfortable. And then next would be the Clarity 101s. I wouldn't do running and sports in these, as they're not as held on as the Clarity 101s, as the Clarities have those little clips that can clip into your ears. So these are more your day-to-days, if you had a workplace, or maybe if I'm doing editing, or if I'm on a plane. This is really gonna do well. And they block a lot of sound out. Even while I'm not listening to anything now, I can hardly even hear myself. I can obviously hear myself, there's no noise cancelling, but they fit so snug in my ears, which is really impressive. Moving on to your Clarity 100s. Now, this is the baseline model of these wireless headsets. So you can pick this up for $6.99, which is usually the cheapest. But Evetech is running a special at the moment when I'm recording this. The black Monster Clarity 101s are $6.99. So you can get these for $6.99, which is a deal and a half. But anyway, moving on to these, yeah, they are $6.99, which is the baseline. And I just want to show you a little bit of what they are. So they come in this black case, again, super cool black case. And open them up, and there are the headset. There's your charging indicator, and you pull these out. Now, the only issue I have with these is I feel they are too bulky for me. So if I put them in, I just feel they don't fit as nicely as some of the other brands. And so I would definitely opt in getting the wireless Clarity 101s or the AirPod looking ones, which are the Clarity 102s, as I feel these are just a little bit heavier and a little bit more bulkier. But if this is in your budget, then I would definitely go for these, as they are still super comfy and the audio quality is still very good. But yeah, again, if you act now, $6.99 for the same price as these, you can get the black wireless ones, which is, I mean, it's a game changer. These things are so cool. Okay guys, that is my review of the Monster Audio wireless earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button down below. Also, hit that like button, and let me know what your favorite earbuds are down in the comments below. And if you have any further questions, feel free to send me a message and I can answer any questions that you guys have. So once again, thank you so much to Evetech for sending over these products. Again, I was really surprised by a few of them. If you're looking for a budget set of wireless earbuds, you can't go wrong with the Monster Audio products. So go have a look, they're on Evetech's site. And as always, I'll check you in the next video.